Hi! We are Sofia, Dennis and Amelia. We are traveling around the world in our custom-built tiny planet van named Orbita.
Our journey began in California and took us through Arizona, Utah and Colorado, all the way to the East Coast, Baltimore, where we shipped our van to Europe to continue the van expedition. Curious what Vanlife looks like in Europe? Hit that subscribe button, the adventure is just getting started. In this video, we'll walk you through how we shipped our van to Europe. But before we dive into shipping tips, here's something truly special. On our way to Baltimore, we made a slight detour to New York City for a very special event. We came to see Tiny Planet on one of the biggest screens in the world, Times Square.
It was a surreal, from DIY van builders to a full-scale van building company. And now our dream lit up on a Times Square.
This time, we built our own family Orbita van for the full circumnavigation of the globe across Europe, Russia, Mongolia and China before returning to the US.
Daddy! Daddy! Are you driving?
And now, let's show you how we shipped our van to Liverpool, England. Step 1. Choose a shipping method. There are two most common methods to send the van overseas. RoRo, your vehicle is driven onto a special cargo ship. Container shipping. For most vans, this option doesn't work due to height restriction. That's why we choose RoRo. Typical travel duration are 11 days to Liverpool, UK, 15 days to Hamburg, Germany, 18 days to Antwerp, Belgium. However, always account for extra days for vehicle preparation, drop-off, custom clearance, and pickup, realistically extending the total separation time from your van. It took 18 days to ship our Orbita van from Baltimore to Liverpool. Step 2. Prepare your paperwork. To ensure smooth international shipping, here's what you'll need to provide. ID, vehicle title. Shipping insurance is optional. We insured our Orbita van for $200,000, which cost around $800. This insurance covers any damage that might occur during shipping. Step 3. Partner with a freight forwarder. Shipping companies don't work directly with private individuals, so hiring a shipping broker is essential. They manage everything, from booking the shipment to handling custom procedures. We went with Seabridge. They are slightly more expensive, but they have a great reputation. We know cases where people used other companies and had personal items stolen. We shipped our belongings, including expensive e-bikes, and everything was delivered safe and intact inside the van. Everything looks good. Here, no damage, nothing. Thank you, bye. Step 4. Get ready to pay for shipping. Shipping a camper van from the US to Europe usually costs around $3,500 to $4,500, depending on the van size, port fees, and insurance coverage. Payment is due only after the ship has departed. No advance payment required. Step 5. Prepare your van for shipping. RoRo shipping requires you to follow specific rules. Personal belongings, clothing, and camping gear can remain inside cabinets and storage compartments, but nothing should be loose in a hallway, on seats, etc. Bikes must be stored securely in the van garage area. E-bikes batteries are not allowed and must be shipped separately. Remove all prohibited items. No food, medicine, cosmetics, electronics, or loose lithium batteries. Fuel tank must not exceed 25% full. We know this whole shipping process can feel overwhelming. So if you ever feel like you need help, you can reach to Tiny Planet's travel concierge service. We're here to guide you. More details in the video description. Okay, and the last thing to know is how to pick up your van at the destination port. To get your van from the port, you'll only need your ID, local insurance. It is mandatory and must meet the laws of your destination country. If you're also shipping your van to Liverpool, be prepared. They drive on the left side of the road. Learn the traffic rules in advance.
If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, it helps us out.
Subscribe to follow our journey through Europe. The next episode will take you to Scotland.